To make data easier to understand visually in PowerPoint, using charts is one of the most effective ways. This video explains how to insert a chart into a PowerPoint slide to present your data in a clear and professional manner. To begin, go to the Insert tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. From there, select the chart option. You will then see a variety of chart types to choose from. Pick the one that suits the data you want to display. For example, you might select a column chart, a line chart, or a pie chart, depending on how you want your information to appear. Once you select the desired chart type, PowerPoint will automatically open an Excel window where you can input your data. This Excel table is linked to the chart on your slide. Wait a moment for the Excel interface to fully load. Inside this Excel window, you can now replace the default placeholder data with your own information. For instance, you can modify the horizontal axis to show months such as June, July, August, and September. In the vertical data fields, you can input your sales figures or any other numerical data you need to represent. After updating the data in Excel, your PowerPoint chart will immediately reflect these changes. This dynamic link ensures that what you edit in Excel shows up directly on your slide. Return to PowerPoint and you'll see the updated chart already embedded into your presentation. The chart now displays your actual data, such as the revenue for each month. If you want to customize the appearance, you can use the Chart Design tab, which appears automatically when the chart is selected. This tab allows you to change colors, styles, and overall presentation of the chart to match your design preferences. With these simple steps, you now have a fully functional chart that helps communicate your data clearly in your PowerPoint slide. This makes your presentation more visually engaging and easier for the audience to understand.